to create, disable, and change a BIOS password. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, access the BIOS setup menu on your computer, then choose the option to set user password. Follow the instruction as shown on your screen. After you click on Set User Password and Set Supervisor Password, you can simply restart the laptop and press F2. Select the security with the cursor and choose Set User Password. After that, press Enter and fill the 3 blanks with your password. You need to enter 2 password, new password, and same new password to confirm it. After that, press Enter and pop up Setup Notice, which means that you have reset BIOS password. Press F10 to save it and select Yes to exit. Your laptop will log on automatically. And that's how you create, disable, and change a BIOS password. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.